Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial about the TFLOW Trading Engine and how to build a successful Bitcoin bot on TradingView. So starting with TFLOW, we are an ecosystem on the blockchain, on the Binance Smart Chain, powered by the TFLOW utility token, and one of our main services is futures trading. Of course, you can get access to this trading engine technology and to any of our services by purchasing the TFLOW token. It is available on the Bitmart exchange, P2B, and on PancakeSwap as well, currently trading at 11, almost 12 cents, starting from 0.05, which was our pre-sale price. Now, straight to our services. We offer 6 main services, but today we are going to focus on the trading engine service, which is our latest addition. So the TFLOW Trading Engine is actually a TradingView script. It is a TradingView strategy script, which you can find on TradingView after you purchase an access package here through our page in eShop. About the technical specifications, I'm going to show it to you live. The page here includes all free information before you purchase a package, and the setups and directions I will going to show it to you live right now. And at the bottom of the page or directly through our shop, you can purchase the access packages. They are free main packages, the starter package, which is a monthly package, a one-off at $45. At $128 is the 120 days access package, and at $336 is the annual package. All these are paid, of course, in TFLOW tokens, but before we move on to see how you can purchase the token, I'm going to show you what this strategy does. And after we conclude the demonstration about how you can build your Bitcoin bot, then I'm going to explain to you how you are going to buy this specific package with TFLOW tokens. Don't be afraid that you have to firstly to go to the exchange. We support through our shop a direct swap, live swap for paying the packages. So that means that after you add this product, any of products to your cart, you just have to own a MetaMask wallet and have some USDT or any cryptocurrency in that wallet. So during your checkout, you will have to connect your MetaMask with our platform, and we instantly convert your payment to TFLOW tokens and get these TFLOW tokens. So don't be anxious about having to firstly buy TFLOW tokens and then come here to deposit. We instantly convert any of your crypto to TFLOW tokens and receive this payment in order to give you access to our TradingView strategy. So once you've purchased the package, you will be asked to log into your eShop account here at account details, where you can copy and paste your TradingView username, which you can find here upright. You can see that my username is TFLOW Blockchain. And of course, if I didn't introduce myself, my name is Jonas Lanis and I'm CEO of the company. So once you purchase the package, you have to go to TradingView. Here you see we have a plain chart. And imagine that you are someone who doesn't have any prior experience to trading and you want to have a good tool to analyze the market. So what you do is you go here to indicators, you press invite only scripts, and you will find the TFLOW Trading Engine here. So once you add it, initially, the first thing that you're going to see is only an auto fib tool. This tool actually is a dynamic Fibonacci retracement tool. It analyzes the market and it presents here the Fibonacci retracement tool. There are so many tools that you can use with the trading engine. Please read the instructions, and I'm going to show you step by step here how you're going to build your bot. As I mentioned, the trading engine has a lot of parameters that initially, when you visit the settings, you may be confused about it, but I will show you how simple it can be to build your own bot. So you have the option, of course, to show these moving average waves. We're going to turn off this auto fib tool. We're going to show you another tutorial how to use the fib retracement in trading. So let's say that we close the fib retracement tool, and here you can see the moving averages on the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. And you will ask me now, why the 4-hour chart? It doesn't matter. You can design your own strategy in any chart, in any time frame, but you want to do it. you can adjust it, and I will show you right now how we are going to adjust it. So apart from the moving waves, we can use the price channel, which is my favorite actually. You'll go here to resolution and you will select chart so that the channel adjusts to any time frame that you are using. So now it will adjust to the 4-hour chart. Here we are. We just hide the Fibonacci retracement. Here you can use the date filter. The date filter is actually the opposite for what you are thinking it is. So by selecting the trade filter, I will show you the date filter later on, you can actually close down signals for a specific period. So you can actually reset your trading strategy starting from the point that you wish it to start. Here you can select the trade directions. You can select either for your strategy to go long and short at the same time. So actually this is a futures trading. And if you want to go for spot trading, you can select here long only. But if you only want to short the market, you can select short only here. It can both work on bull runs and bear markets, but we'll go for both. So you can use here the stop loss and take profit. You can set your stop loss and take profit here. And for Bitcoin, we are going to use here this specific parameter, which I'm going to show you. We are going to use 3.6, which is the setting for Bitcoin. And we are going to use take profit 39.7%. We don't use we're not going to use the trailing take profit. As you can see here, we can select trailing take profit or regular. We will stick with regular. We'll show you in another tutorial how you're going to use the trailing take profit. So here we go to our first set of buy signals. We have 15 different buy signals. Of course, if you want to test them, you can go one by one to tick them and see how the strategy changes. Actually, I'm going to show to you live. We're going to the strategy tester. We're going here. As you can see here, we don't have any trades that are shown here on the chart. So you can start by opening here the settings. And let's start with Bitcoin. We will go with buy 3, buy 4, buy 5, buy 8, buy 12, 14, and 15. These are the initial settings for buy. We will set the some stop loss long signals. So this is our parameters for stopping any long signal that long trade that may not go the way that we want. So we select these two, and at the stop short, we select 3. See how dynamically the strategy, the backtester changes. We select stop short 3, and then we go to sell 1, sell 2, sell 3, 4, 6, and 13 to start seeing some results. And we go to settings, and we are going to select 12 in setting 1. We're going to select 1.8 at the setting 2. We are going for 20 at setting 3 and 6 at setting 4. So let's initially see what we are getting as a result. So this is what you will get by selecting the strategy, and we go to properties. Now, depending to anyone's appetite or trading strategy, you can select the settings that you want. Here, for our example, we're going to use initial capital of 10,000 USDT, which is going to be our initial capital. And since it's futures and we know the strategy, we are going to select that each place, that each position we are going to open, it's going to happen with 14,000. So we're actually using type of leverage, 7,000 with leverage 2. And here we are. Let's see what results the strategy is producing. So as you can see here, we have a net profit of 120,943 USDT. 37.41 is our percent profitable. Profit factor 1.6, drawdown 31%, average rate 0.58. So what you can do here in any strategy, in any settings, you can adjust the settings and you can try to experiment on selecting, clicking on and off each strategy. Each time you do it, of course, you can see that the strategy result changes. So you can see if any change is for the better or for the worse. As you can see here, the result worsened. So here, by selecting this, specific parameters, I know what I'm getting. I'm getting this ROI, and with the custom backtesting, I can see, for example, what this strategy would have produced for me if I used it in 2013. So let's go for today, 2023. Let's make it from the start over here. So we generate the report. And here we can see that iBooks have made 107% profit from the strategy if I programmed my bot based on what I show here, and I would have 43% profit for this trade. And let's go to the chart to see actually what we are getting. So here you can see a lot of lines, but of course you can adjust them. So you will go to the style here, and you can close these take profit and stop loss lines, which are set according to what I selected. You can also select to close quantity and the line fills as well. And here we go. As you can see here, the strategy is adjusting to the chart. You can see we have a short signals here, a long signal. Any buy signal is with a green label, and any short signal, sell signal is with a red label. So here you can see actually that we had a long position. It's just closed here with a stop loss, and you can see in the blue label here, any stop loss trigger, it's with a blue label. So it stopped here, and we have a long position reopen, and you can visit any of the chart here and adjust it to your preferences. So by this way, you can actually open any time frame, and you can start playing around with the parameters. Of course, to help you out, we are going to share in our social media specific pictures with all the settings for our 10 cryptocurrencies that we are analyzing with the help of the TFLOW Trading Engine. So once you have purchased this and you have the settings that you want, you can connect your strategy with your exchange account. What you can do it initially through free commas, and we have a tutorial here in the tutorial section where we present in detail how you are going to do that. Here you can see the TFLOW engine connect free commas, so you can visit this tutorial and see how you're going to connect free commas. And what you are going to do actually is you are going to copy paste the code from each bot that you have created, your long bot and your short bot here, and you can actually create the reversal orders by combining two separate orders for two separate bots in free commas, so you can go long and short for the same trade. I will show you in another tutorial how you're going to do that. And once you do that, you just press OK, and then right click and you add alert, and you actually you're going to create here the alert that you want. You are going to select alert functions call only. You will go to notifications, add here the free commas webhook, and you are ready to connect your bot. As I told you, this is a bot that has a successful ROI. And of course, if you, depending on the strategy that you want to do, the ROI changes. That means that if I go here to strategy, you go to strategy here, I close backtesting, and let's say that I wanted to trade here at properties with 10,000, but I wanted in each trade to do 100% of my equity. So all in, if I wanted to play all in for Bitcoin from the start, I was going to get 136,079% ROI from the beginning of Bitcoin in Binance from August 2017. So depending on your strategy and your preferences, on your risk appetite, you can adjust the strategy for what you want it to do, and it's going to do it for you, and you will not have to be on the charts all the time to decide what trade to take, because our system is going to do it for you. So this is why we are promoting this strategy. This is why we wanted to offer this service to you, so you can directly get access to our technology. We spent almost 2 years perfecting this technology, so you can get access to the trading engine, connect it to your trading bot, your exchange, and have your own trading bot work for you. And as I told you, of course, you can adjust it to any time frame. Just change the settings. You will find what you need to find, and you can then program your bot. This is our first tutorial for creating a BTC bot. I will make other tutorials for creating the other 9 bots of our portfolio. And of course, I'm going to show you also how to set up a bot in smaller timeframes. So this is it for now. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.